Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. We are going to do another makeup look today just because I had so much fun doing my last makeup look and I realized how much I miss doing my makeup looks. So today we are going to do a smoky eye. I haven't done a smoky eye probably like in years and years and years. So we're gonna try that out today. I hope you guys enjoy. As you can see, my eyebrows are already done. If you wanna see how I did them, then go ahead and check out my eyebrow tutorial video. I just wanna thank you guys once again for tuning in every Tuesday and Saturday, even though I've been slacking a little bit, but I'm gonna get back on it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell so you never miss a video. Go ahead and share, tell your friends about it. And all right, we are going to get started. I think today I'm going to use my Morphe palette. I haven't touched it in a while. So this is the Morphe Artistry palette 35V. It's Stunning Vibes. So this palette's beautiful. You can see it's kind of messy. I used it quite a bit before in the past. I've already done my brows. I've already primed my face. I've already primed my eyelids. So we can get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a nude light color over my whole lid. I'm just going to blend up near my brow line. I'm going to take a little bit darker color and go right at my brow line. Okay, so now I am going to put some color right into my crease. And blend. I'm blending upwards. I want to take this color up. I'm going to do a little bit more. So on my lid, this makeup look really, I don't think is going to take very long. It's simple yet complex, but it's not very time consuming. So I'm going to take this burnt orange color, I'm gonna put it on my lid. And this is going to act as a base for when I put my glitter on. Now that I have that on, I am going to start, basically I'm going to start my smoky eye. So I'm taking black. Less is more, so I'm going to start with less and then I'm going to build it up because I don't want it to look too crazy. I'm going to start with the outer corner of my eye and I'm going to bring it into my crease. more black. Once I blended it out, it got a little bit lighter, so I do want that very dark feel. All right, so like I said, I haven't done this in a while, so we'll see how it turns out. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and put the glitter on my lid, and then I'm going to do my foundation because that's gonna help clean this up, and then I'll really be able to see what else I wanna do with my eye. So for my eye, I'm going to do like gold champagne colors. So we'll come back to the eyes in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation. I'm not gonna spend too much time explaining this. If you guys wanna see how I do my foundation, my concealer and everything, go check out the video. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal under my eyes. All right, now that I have my concealer and my foundation on, I'm gonna play on my eyes a little bit more. Then I'm gonna bring the black in on the inner corner of my lid some and see how that looks. Okay, I brought it in some. So now I'm just going to blend some more, play with it. Okay, I think I've gotten it to where I like the black, where it's at. It's definitely not perfect. I think next time I would probably use a dark brown over black. It'd be a little bit less harsh, but we're gonna go ahead and finish up this look. See how it turns out. I might end up surprised. Yeah, so I'm going to take the black and I'm going to go under my eye. Ooh, actually, that might have been what the look was missing right here. I'm gonna smudge some under my eye so it's not as dark. That actually made a huge difference in my opinion. Definitely a learning process for me doing this look. So as I teach y'all, I teach me. So we're gonna continue on with my eye. Actually, no, I'm not going to add eyeliner on. So we're gonna continue on with my face. And then I'll go back and put lashes on. So I've already done my foundation. I've already concealed under my eyes, so I'm gonna conceal the rest of my face and contour. gonna go ahead and set my face now. Today I'm going to be using my Mia Bella lashes. Lashes make everything look better. Gel my eyebrows now that my lashes are done. I do feel like adding the lashes on is helping the look come together and look more complete. I'm actually enjoying it more now that the lashes are on. Go through and brush off my setting powder. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Morphe Filter Effect Finishing Powder. Add some blush, my MAC blush. It's really the only blush that I have. It's my favorite. It's just perfect. I don't like a whole lot of blush on my cheeks because I put my highlight on anyways, and sometimes my highlight has a hint of color, so I keep it pretty basic with my blush. We're gonna go into the Tarte's Pro Glow palette for my highlight today. For my lips, we're gonna do my new favorite look, taking my NYX Suede matte liner. This is in the color Club Hopper. We're just gonna go with Old Faithful, the ColourPop Disney Collection Tiana Gourmet Dreams. I'm definitely thinking about getting more lip liners. I just have that one, but since that look comes out so well, I'm really thinking about getting a few more. I can just play around with it. But here is, oh, psych, we're forgetting something. Let's set this face. So here is the final look. I have mixed feelings about it. This is definitely like a, I wouldn't say it's a tutorial. It's more of a watching me learn, or me practicing a smoky look. There's some things I really like about it. There's some things I don't. I definitely think that I would try with a dark brown next time. But in the comments below, let me know what you guys think, or if you have any suggestions for me doing a smoky eye, please give them to me. I will take any help. But I appreciate you guys watching. My next video will be on Saturday. I'm not 100% sure what I'm posting yet, but I hope you guys stay tuned. Thank you for continuing to support. Every Tuesday and Saturday, it means more than you guys know. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share with your friends, and I will see you guys next time.